Hello guys, so I was doing a live stream earlier and I was doing my nails, but this is just like a long form video of me doing my nails. My nails like in two parts, I want to say, because I never have time. Yesterday I did my fill. I already had my nails on and I did my fill. I filed everything down. I took off my rhinestones and then I went ahead and put my primer and my dehydrator, and then I filled them, and then after that I filed them down, right? So today live streaming I was doing the French line, and it's really hard to do this online. Like, it's really hard because I was trying to, you know, read comments and doing all that at the same time. I'm not a professional nail person, obviously. Okay, I noticed my camera was a little dirty. So anyways, so I just want to show you guys that I'm like a DIYer, so I just do my own stuff. You guys can't really see it, but I will be posting a short on these nails. But basically, the point of this was to do the fill, and then I want to do like French tip, you know, the French tip. And then I want to use this brush to go like this, or like to tap. I've been seeing them do that online. Tap it like this and then go ahead and or put some of the red, and this is the only color that I brought. I ordered these off of Temu a long time ago. And I'm working on my opposite hand, and it's really hard, my non-dominant hand. So it's really hard to do DIY, do your own stuff, but I'd much rather struggle with this than to have to go to the nail salon and pay hella money, because my nearest nail salons are charging like $150, and I am not going to pay that. I can't afford that. That's too much. I wish I could do eye extensions or eyelash extensions and all that, and it's just way too pricey out here. It's pricey to be a girl nowadays. It's expensive to be a female, pop-in female nowadays. But anyways, yes, so I want to put some of this on, like the red paint on here, or red gel color, and then grab it and see how they've been doing it like this. It's probably going to be a dirty mess, but I have my alcohol here and all that stuff, so I'm just going to go like that, and we'll see how it goes. I also thought I brought stickers, and I didn't. These are water decals, so that's going to be fun. But anyways, I'm working on my opposite hand. This is wet paint still. So anyways, just so you guys know, this is what I'm going to be working on, and I will be showing you guys little progress videos here and there, so just stay tuned. It might be a longer video, I'm not sure, but I haven't posted a long form video often anymore, so we'll see if we do them for freaking Christmas, like, what is it called, the Vlogmas? That's what I was talking about last week, so we'll see how this goes. And mind you, I'm kind of in a hurry. I'm always in a hurry because I'm always doing something. Like right now, I have to work, so I have to try to hurry and get this done. I don't know how nail people do this like really fast, but yeah, so stay tuned. I'm going to be doing that. All right, so that's what I'm working on so far. This is my non-dominant hand, so yeah, things happened. And this is my other hand. So I want to say that these help out a lot. These Modelones gel art nail or gel art liners, because they have the tip already. So yeah, it's better. I made that mess though, so I'm gonna have to clean it up. And then I didn't bring my big nail thing, so I have to do 4 and then do 1. And then I brought my alcohol to clean up whatever I need to clean up. And then when I'm done, I had brought this gray like sparkle just in case I wanted to use it, so we'll see. And then I brought my base coat and my top coat also from Modelones. So and these stickers, I got them a long time ago off of Amazon, and it came in this whole pack. So I don't recommend getting a whole pack just because these are old anyways, they're outdated. So you might want to look for more like single sheets, so you can get exactly what you want instead of a variety. But they give you some lame ones. These are pretty cute though. Yeah, someone needs to sponsor me. I don't know who. Hint, hint. Hint, hint. Gosh, it won't stop raining, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell that it's still raining. Yeah, you can tell the drops over there. This is Oregon for you right now. It's actually gorgeous. It just kind of makes you sleepy. Beautiful, darling. Twilight vibes. Toilet? What? Okay. So now we just want to cut the designs that you're gonna want. I want that cross for sure. Yeah, maybe like that one, and maybe like that one. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut them out. You know what, I'm gonna do this. Just like that. Could use all stickers, but I really wanna do the other design like I said. And we're gonna do the individual cut like this. And this little cross thing. This is gonna be most likely a fail, but I don't have a little cup to put it on, so I'm just gonna do this. You guys are probably gonna troll me, and they want us to just soak it for a little bit. So we're gonna do that. Ugh, I'm sorry if it doesn't focus on the camera, guys. Let's see. No? Okay. I'll be back. A complete mess, but that's what you want. You see how it's starting to peel off? Bam, just grab it. You want tweezers, but I ain't got no tweezers today. Okay, and then I just went ahead and put it on there. So it's kind of what you want, and then you gotta let it dry so it can actually stick. You want to pat it. Okay, next. Okay, like this one, I just took it off, and in the water you'll see that it comes off. I don't know if they still make them like this, but yeah. See, it's still slipping and sliding, and then you just want to go ahead and grab a towel and dry it off, and that's how it will adhere to the nail. There you go. Yeah, cute. Careful, you don't want to rip it neither. Okay, probably should have put this one on a smaller nail, but all good in the head. Okay, so this is the layer, but don't forget to take it off. Then you put it in your water. Once again, let it soak up in the water a little bit. Then you just want to be touching it to see when it's going to be ready. Once it starts sliding off, that's how you know it's ready. Not ready. Okay, so I just grabbed it, and see how it starts sliding off? That's how you know it's ready. So then you position it on your nail. Okay. We'll put it this one just because these are my most used, most noticeable fingers. I think that's about right there. And yeah, pat it again. Make sure it's where you want it. It actually sticks better than a regular sticker, not gonna lie. And that's gonna be it. The rest will be splattered. So I'm gonna work on the other hand and then come back to the blood splatter. All right, now that we got all the stickers on, we're gonna go ahead and use the red paint like we said with the brush. Let's see how this goes because it's the first time ever doing this. It doesn't come out good. TikTok made me do it. I mean, YouTube made me do it. I don't know, I just saw them do this. Oop. Like put some like that and then grab the bristles and go up, but we're just gonna kind of randomly go like that instead of making a big old mess. I think it's coming out pretty good, right? Yeah, some people would smudge it, so let's do that. Oh my god, I actually really like this. I'm glad that I tried this out. I'm just gonna do this in real time so you guys can see, and I'm just randomly dabbing it everywhere. Ooh, that did more of a chunk, but we like that. Yeah. Yes, I'm liking that a lot. Wow. Okay. Let me know how you guys would have done this differently. Do you guys like it? You're not a fan? Oops. I'm liking it so far, not gonna lie. Wow. This is the first time ever trying something different like this, guys. Bam, bam, bam. Wow, and then I'd see that they would like smudge it and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do like that. Try not to overdo it, maybe. Oh yeah, for sure. Highly recommend this. I would definitely try this again. Love it. Love it. We're gonna go ahead and cure it. Wow, I might clean it up a little bit just because I might have overdid it with the splatter, but I love it. And then we're just gonna go ahead and cure our nails, and we'll be back for the finished look. Remember the top coat. Crusty dusty. Seal the deal. Seal it all in. And I don't know if you guys go in with it 2 times the top coat, but I am going to today because I don't want these stickers falling off or ripping. You know, we want to seal the whole thing in. Yeah. I don't know, I really liked the outcome. I think it came out great. Amazing. All right, so this is the first top coat. I think it looks fabulous, but we're gonna do one more. All right, just curing it, and we'll move on to the next hand. All right, last step is to wipe them down with some alcohol and put some oil on your cuticles. However, I did not bring any oil, so yeah, I'm gonna have to wait till I get home for that step, just so that it doesn't leave a sticky layer. A lot of them don't require for you to wipe it down anymore, but mine do. So this brand Modelones, the top coat, does require it. So alrighty guys, this is the finished look. It took forever, but yeah, that's one hand, and here's the other one. We went through it a bit, but for being DIY, I don't know, I think it came out pretty okay. Yeah. Now all I need is oil. Thank you guys so much. If you made it to this part, the ending, you're a real one. Appreciate you. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye. Bye, Felicia's.